How to develop some more things in YouTube regarding borewells. Give me suggestion about in Tamil, English, Kannada, okay.
இருக்கா?
Shall I tell you few things about what I'm doing right now? That is, I'm doing Vastu, numerology, consulting, solving so many problems. YouTube subscribers. I helped like diviner, driller, helper, borewell, drivers. So many places enquiries coming. For them, I'm
ಆನ್
forwarding
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ,
to
ನೀವು
my
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
relative agents. Link of different state, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Karnataka. So many rich person link have. So I can drill anywhere in 3 states. Need diviners, I'm giving the suggestion of online water plant state light. The system is working out, helping more and more diviners. Time different rig owners they clear their doubts whether the water is coming or not. I am telling, informing as I know. Apart from, I like to do something new with your guidance, with your cooperation, with your suggestion, whatever, just try to call and intimate me. Same like what are the mistake I'm doing it, that also try to inform me. I try to rectify that. Right now my basic problem is I know little English, little Kannada, little Tamil. Telugu, Hindi I cannot manage. But my calls more and more coming Andhra state Hindi customers. I am rejecting it. First I want to learn Hindi, Telugu. But I know not that much. So waiting for your suggestion. Call me my number 9035278897. Once more I'm telling 9035278897. My business is going movement with effort of building contractors. I have regular more happy getting direct customer. Comparing Just Dial, I have like big channel. I'm getting different types of calls, but right now I cannot complete the work fully. I can cover with only divining plus drilling. This video I'm expecting suggestion from your side, rectification from your side, new issues from your side.
ಅದು 1.5 ಇಂಚಿನೂ ಹೇಳೋದು, ನೀರು ಬರೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿನಾ? ನೀವು ಇದು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು.
My habit is till water comes, I will say I have done the point. After water comes to the party, everywhere, anywhere, wherever, I'll tell parties neighbor is good. They got their own water, not because of J. Selvaraj did the point. Actually, I'm in Bangalore. I have done so many borewells with my divining. So far, I'm getting success only. Somewhere one or two mistake will be there. That's why I'm committing 90%, 90 percentage. Still, I'm not able to give 100 percentage, but I can. But trying it, I have already blessing of everyone. Still, I'm expecting more. I try to give 99 percentage shortly. Every day, I'm trying to do something new that I'm not showing, I'm not mentioning in the YouTube. Everything I cannot put in the YouTube because of secret is better to avoid success.
ಒಂದು 2 ಲೀಟರ್ ನೀರು ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆನಾ
Places I'm informing as per my knowledge there is no water. Please try to avoid putting the borewell in this place.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್
The customer also agreed. Some customer they did got fail. My knowledge everywhere water will be there. If more water comes, less life, less water comes, more life it will give. My experience, I got successing it. Generally, try to start any work, whether divining, whether drilling, in the early morning 6 a.m. It's easy get successing. Limit I'm charging 5,000 out of Bangalore right now. I'm charging 15,000. Pick up and drop they have to do. If I have to go personally out of Bangalore 20,000. But I'm interesting. A party has to come. This is called geolocator machine. I am taking a second opinion from this, getting success more and more. All is well, all is well. This is called map dowsing. Nowadays I am doing with the map dowsing first, next coconut, third pendulum, fourth geolocator machine. Humble request, please tell me where I am doing the mistake, how I can improve my life, what type of work we are expecting from my side. I know only about borewell, how to determine different types of borewell works. You tell me. Right now I'm doing drilling, scanning, divining, flushing, recharging, motor lifting, motor erecting, stuck motor removing, so many things. But in Bangalore limits. Out of Bangalore is very difficult. I cannot come. Anyway, waiting for your suggestion. Please give me. Don't feel anything bad. In your free of heart, tell me what I have to do, where I have done doing mistake. Okay, I want to improve. I'm also myself try to give better service comparing last one. Who are seeing this video, try to subscribe. Already subscribe, share to others, please. I am Selvaraj, MME Borewell. Is local. You can go to the site inspection directly. Further depth water will come or not. Already touch the borewell. You want second opinion or pakka opinion, whatever is for my knowledge, I can tell you. If you're not believing traditional coconut, I can use geolocator machine scientific. It will tell you the reading about up to 4,000 feet. You will get scanned. It will tell you the depth of water, how much quantum of water also it will tell you. See on which way water is coming. Okay, whatever. I am waiting for your suggestions. Please inform me where I am doing the mistake, how to rectify it. Please inform me and try to rectify. How to link with other business through this video. Free of heart, you can tell me. My number 90352 78897. This whatever I gave all old videos, not current videos. Because of corona is going on right now, so I cannot move. I'm getting appointments of after 10th of May. Before that I can do only local water point. Please give me cooperation. So far your given is happy. Still please continue for me, everyone. All is well. All is well.